my friends, today I'm going to show you how to repair your check engine light. As you can see, mine is on. This is a simple trick, no need to worry about that. I have few lights there, but our focus today will be on check engine light. Just check how this goes. So first of all, you need to turn off your car, switch off your car like that, and remove the key. Next, open your gas cap. As you can see, this thing is filthy dirty. Many times we don't take care of that. You clean the rest of the car, looks clean, but the oil cap, the gas cap is filthy dirty. So we're going to use this WD-40. Note this, don't use water or Coke, use WD-40. Right, another thing that could cause the engine light is because your gas cap is not tightly fit. As you can see, my readings are kind of facing the opposite direction, so you need also to tighten that after cleaning. So my cap is clean, as you can see, but this within a short period I need a replacement of this. Is very odd. As you know, this is a Toyota Solara, a 2001. So make sure that that thing clicks tightly, and then make sure that the readings are facing you the way you can read them. So yeah, this is a Toyota Solara, a 2001. The next thing you want to do is to check on your battery terminals, whether they are clean. Of course, I use the WD-40 to clean my terminals. Don't use Coke to clean your terminals. Use WD-40. After cleaning, you need to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery just to reset the computer. Once you disconnect, wait for about 2 minutes or 3, and then connect your car terminal, and then we move to the next level, next stage. Make sure the terminal is tightly fit. And all right, friends, it's the moment of the truth. Check engine on. Let's switch on the car. It's gone! Yay! You feel me? You have that feeling? How much I've saved by just doing it myself? No need to worry about that. You can fix it. It's a DIY. See you next time on how to fix things at home, not just cars. Goodbye for now. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing testimonies of how much you've saved by fixing things at home just for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.